This is Alex's Special Moments, and Alex and his friend are here in the hospital. Alex cut his foot open. Micah got shot. Well, where's the nurse? Where's the nurse? Where's the nurse? Nurse! Oh, nurse!
Wake up. It's me again.
Oh! And the terrorist got away again.